everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we're putting the spotlight on shellac. Shellac is a great finish for fine furniture and low traffic items. It adds a warm amber hue to your project. Now keep in mind it is affected by heat, so a hot coffee cup will leave behind the white ring of death. You probably don't want that, just saying. Now you can apply it with either a cotton rag or a natural bristled brush or a spray gun if you want a nice crisp finish. But whichever one you use, make sure you clean up properly after. If you used a brush, you can go ahead and stir it in some lacquer thinner or denatured alcohol, then shake it out and let it dry hard. Next time you need it, stand it in solvent for 30 minutes before you need it. It'll come back to life. If you use a spray gun and you're lazy, you can empty the remaining shellac back into the can, wipe out the pot, fill the pot 2/3 full with lacquer thinner, and then spray the remainder through the gun. Pew, 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 pew.